What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Kerrie, and thank y'all so much for being tuned in today. I'm going to be on here answering questions for my up-and-coming workshop, Airbnb and Flipping Virtual Workshop, that is called I Got the Keys to the Room. All right, get in here and ask your questions. All right, so I Got the Keys to the Room is an Airbnb and Flipping Virtual Workshop that's going to be on Sunday, June 26th from 4 to 6 p.m. All right, because I want to make sure that you are ready to go. So y'all got to get into the room and get this knowledge. All right. Yeah. So why am I hosting this workshop? So back in 2017, my husband and I, we decided to get into real estate investing by flipping houses. And we made a lot of mistakes. We maxed out credit cards. We took out loans and we just did everything wrong. Now, fast forward to where I am now, I'm able to use other people's money. Okay, so I flipped so many houses, and my sister-in-law, we have 3 Airbnbs, and we've only been in the business literally a year and 1 day. A year and 1 day as of today. June 9th of 2021, we started with 1 Airbnb. We did that for $5,000. We furnished it. It paid for the rent, the utilities, everything. And here we are today with 3 Airbnbs that are running by themselves. True passive income. We've gotten all of our money back plus more. Okay. So I want to make sure that if you are interested in getting to Airbnb or you're interested in getting to flipping, I do not make less. There's been one house that I've lost money on. All the other ones have been either 20K, 45 or more. Okay. So I want to make sure whether you're a beginner or you're an intermediate real estate investor, I want to make sure you have the keys to the room because you can really build a lot of wealth through investing. You do not need a real estate license. All you need is the right systems and structure. So that is why I'm hosting this Airbnb and Flipping virtual workshop on Sunday, June 26th from 4 to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, I do have some special guests that are going to be coming. Okay. So I'm going to have one of my dear friends. Her name is Osei, and she is an Airbnb superhost. She is doing arbitrage and ownership. And not too long ago, literally, I think it was like last month or the month before, she had her very first 20K month. 20K month. So she is going to come and drop all the gems, give you some decor items, and how to make sure that you stand out. Okay. So throughout this broadcast, make sure you drop your questions in the comment section and let me know what you got. All right. Because I'm going to answer those. I'm also bringing my guy, Trey Walker. He is an investor and real estate agent in San Antonio. Now, y'all ain't gonna believe this, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. Trey flipped 33 houses last year. I'm gonna just sit there. I'm just gonna sit that there. So I said, Osei done made her 20K. Trey done flipped 33 houses in 1 year. So he gonna come and he gonna drop knowledge on the flipping game. Okay. Then I'm gonna bring my guy Ali Perez. He is the investing lender. Okay. So how am I able to do my flips? How am I able to do my Airbnbs? Is by using other people's money. So I know I told you at the beginning back in 2017, my husband and I, we were doing maxing out credit cards, getting loans, all this other stuff, getting into all this debt until I realized by talking to other people and learning from my mistakes, I learned how to make sure I'm using other people's money. So now I'm putting down less money. It's taking less time. And like I said, I did lose money on one house. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all know I'm always gonna be honest. But the other ones, it wasn't even a problem. It wasn't even a problem. Okay. Now you just have to make sure you have the right systems in place. Now I do have 2 different ticket options. So we have general admission. Okay. General admission is going to include the full 2-hour training. And if you've been to any of my trainings, you pretty much know I'm gonna go over because I'm gonna make sure you get all your questions answered. And I'll make sure you walk away knowing what you need to do to make sure you're successful. So you're going to get the 2-hour virtual workshop. Okay. You're also going to get my Airbnb ebook included in your general admission ticket. Now my ebook has my shopping list. So everything I use for Airbnbs has my house rules as well. My house rules are when guests are checking in, these are rules they have to abide by to make sure that my stuff, my sister-in-law stuff, it is all taken care of. If there is anything damaged, they're paying for it. If they smoke, they're getting a fee. If they have a pet, because we don't allow pets, they're getting a fee. Okay. All those different things are in there. And as long as you have that, you literally can copy and paste my house rules and put those right into your unit. Okay. Or units, because I'm going to manifest for you. Okay. You're also going to get the replay. It's going to be available for 30 days because I'm all about action. You got to go into action. Don't sit on this information. Too many times we get information and we sit on it and we don't do nothing. Okay. So my general admission, these are all things you're getting: the full workshop, the Airbnb ebook, and the replay. You're also going to get all the information for flipping. Okay. Because I'm doing Airbnb and flipping. Now, let me get to this VIP experience. Let me get to this VIP experience. VIPs, you're going to get everything general admission got, but you're also going to get a house tour. Whether I do that in Austin or San Antonio, and I might do both because a lot of people know I'm all about my people and helping y'all out. Especially if you invest in me, I'm going to pour right back into you. Okay. You're going to get a house tour. I'm going to walk you through an investment house, what you're looking for, what questions to ask, how to run your ARV. Your ARV is your after rental value. A lot of people mess up. Some of these wholesalers are out here trying to tell y'all, oh, it's a huge ARV, and it's really not. You got to know your numbers because that's how you're going to lose money. All right. Now, you're going to get the house tour. I'm also going to have my contractor there. You're going to be able to meet my wholesaler as well. I have one in Austin, one in San Antonio. You can get in connection with that. I do get a lot of like mobile homes, duplexes, quadruplexes. I got a sixplex, and some of these are already fully furnished. Fully rehabbed. So having that access, and if you have money set aside, you can go right into there, whether you're a beginner or intermediate. Okay. Now, house tour, you're going to get the ebook. You're going to get my flipping checklist as well. So as we're going through the house, you can literally pretend like you were one of the investors that might be bidding on the house. All right. You're going to get that. You're also going to get a t-shirt that says, I got the keys to the room. And you're going to get a swag bag and a Q&A lunch with me. So you ask all your questions. You're going to have that virtual experience. However, you might not ask all your questions. You might have other stuff that comes up. So you're going to be able to come to lunch with me and ask your question about Airbnb, flipping, or just real estate in general. Some of you might want to do long-term. I got people for that. All right. So that's the VIP experience. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I told y'all, once I got everything in order, I was coming back with some fire. So how do you register for this? How do you register? Link in my bio. That's all you got to do. Just go to the link in my bio and take care of that. All right. If you want more information, there's a link for that. If you're ready to sign up for VIP, there's a link for that. If you're ready to do general admission, there's a link for that. General admission is $197. $197. VIP is $397. All right. I want to make sure it's affordable because I need y'all to go into action. It is time to start building wealth. I can't be the only one out here doing it. Me and Robert can't be the only ones out here doing it. I got to make sure my people are taken care of. As long as you have the right systems in place, you're going to be successful. But some of these people are doing Airbnbs, are doing it the wrong way. They're doing personal leases. You're not supposed to do that. I'm going to tell you now, you don't do it. I also have another way that I just found out today. I'm going to finalize it on Monday, but I'm going to put it out there real quick. There's a way to not even do Airbnb. We can get you certain people that will pay $4,000 to $8,000 per room. All right. I'm going to have all the other information, and whoever signs up for my class, you're going to gain access to that. You will gain access, but I want to make sure everything is good. It works out for me. I'm going to try it out. If it does, $4,000 to $8,000 per room, and you have a 2 or a 3, y'all do the math. I'm going to let you do the math. I ain't going to do the math for you. All right. But you'll be able to help people, and you're going to be able to make some money. Real estate investing doesn't have to be complicated. Learn from my mistakes. You're going to learn from Osei, who is an Airbnb superhost. You're going to learn from Trey, who is a flipping expert. 33 houses in 1 year. Come on, y'all. And I'm bringing in my lender that's going to help you figure out financing. And I have a whole slew of other lenders, private, hard money, that will be able to help you if you get in the game. If you accept the keys to the room. It's really up to you. So if y'all have any questions, drop those in the comments real quick. And I'm about to tap out of here. Instagram was hating on me earlier, so I'm glad that Facebook is here and live, baby. So let's see. Happy Friday. What is up? Let's get it. Yeah, tag your best friend. Come on. Let's do it. Yes, just showing love. Y'all get registered. Thank you so much, Dom. I appreciate you tapping in. Yes, yes, yes. So that's all I got for y'all. Sunday, June 26th, 4 to 6 p.m. If you want to register, click the link in my bio. This is called I Got the Keys to the Room. I don't want anybody else left out, whether you're a beginner or intermediate investor. Get here. VIP, I only have a few more tickets for VIP. I'm not doing a huge group because I want to make sure it's intimate. You are able to walk away from the VIP experience ready to go, ready to get into this real estate game. All right. So I love y'all so much. It's your girl, Dr. Kerrie. I'll see y'all next time.